Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mask in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just have to go into a project that we want to work on. Then tap on edit in the bottom row. Then scroll to the right. And here we find the mask. If you tap on mask, we will have a few options to choose from. We can create we can select one, and here we can do all sorts of things with the mask, and yeah, we can rotate it. We can increase or decrease the feather of it. You can set the position of the mask. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.